face of Francis, you ain't no fucking genius, are you? First you come in and say, I got the drugs from somewhere else. Then you say, no, I don't remember. I don't remember where I got the drugs. When you make it too complicated, you're creating a maze for yourself that you ain't never gonna get out of. They got you. You just gotta change your play. You gotta believe in bearment. You know what that means? It means that you cannot be held accountable for your actions. Well, I don't think I ought to be blamed, entirely blamed for things that I did when I was under influence or anything. I don't think you should either. That's what I'm saying. PCP. Stuff makes a man crazy. One time, famous case. Guy, he cut off his own face on that shit. For real? Oh yeah, he mixed up meth. That's an insanity defense if I ever heard one. And how you gonna say a man who's not on anything is insane because he did something crazy, but a man who's on something that made him crazy is sane? You know what I mean? Works both ways. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'm not even saying that I remember anything. I was shit hammered. There we go. That's your play. Right there. Fuck this amnesia story.